Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th March 2025. India's government has opposed Volkswagen's plea to annul a $1.4 billion tax bill, asserting it could lead to companies withholding information and delaying investigations. The case, involving alleged misclassification of car parts, threatens the automaker's operations in India. The court will hear the case shortly. Around 35 companies have shown interest in the second round of the PLI scheme for specialty steel, with an investment commitment of Rs 25,200 crore. The Ministry of Steel is in the process of selection and signing MoUs. The scheme has generated significant investments and exports in various key sectors. Indian automotive manufacturers are set to implement price hikes across vehicle portfolios from April 2025. Amid escalating input costs and regulatory pressures. Major players like Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, Hyundai, Honda Cars India, Kia and Mahindra have announced price increases ranging from 2 to 4%. As net profit margins from original equipment manufacturers have mostly remained flat in the last 9 months, without these price hikes, profit margins would come under considerable squeeze. The RBI has issued clarifications on the Financial Statements Presentation and Disclosures Directions 2021 based on queries from banks and the Indian Banks Association. These clarifications address disclosures in the notes to accounts to financial statements and instructions from the balance sheet compilation. The instructions apply to all commercial and cooperative banks for preparing financial statements for the financial year ending March 31st, 2025 and onwards. SEBI has released a consultation paper on amendments to the SEBI ICDR Regulations 2018 and SEBI Share-Based Employee Benefits and Sweat Equity Regulations 2021. The objective is to streamline public issue requirements while clarifying existing employee stock options provisions. SEBI has proposed reviewing the minimum holding period for equity shares to be eligible for an offer for sale in public issues. Comments may be submitted by April 10, 2025. SEBI has modified the shareholding pattern disclosure norms under Master Circular dated November 11, 2024, which prescribes formats for the disclosure of holding of specified securities and shareholding patterns. The changes include disclosing non-disclosure undertaking and other encumbrances, clarifying that outstanding convertible securities include ESOPs, and adding a column for fully diluted shares. This shall be applicable from 30th June 2025.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.